Hi, everybody. I'm Pete Hall.
And I'm Kristen Sowers, and we are so excited to introduce you to this amazing opportunity.
Oh my gosh, it's our 5th annual International Trauma Invested Institute, and it's fully virtual, pre-recorded sessions that have incredible content. And how long does it last?
Oh my gosh, wait for this, team. We're giving you 92 days. Not 30, not a 2-day conference, but 92 days from June 1st to August 31st to take your time to walk through the content that speaks to you. Super incredible.
Yep, and we wanted to be really flexible and really responsive to your needs, so you have the opportunity to learn from us. The two of us lead several sessions, and we have some incredible experts and some incredible practitioners who will share knowledge and tips and research and ideas that should help ease our way on this rather treacherous journey.
For sure, and gosh, boy howdy team, have we been listening, and we know that times were not easy before all of this, and we know they're not any easier now. And so Pete and I feel pretty lucky. We get to work with districts globally across the country, and we've really been listening to what your needs are and listening to what you think will help you enter into the next school year motivated, empowered, ready to return.
Absolutely.
I know.
And we're just thrilled to death. And you can learn more at fosteringresilientlearners.org. We hope to see you there.
Yeah, can't wait.